Hey maths enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Today we will be delving into another fascinating realm of Vedic maths, and our spotlight is on the new technique which is division by base 100. And if you're new around here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join us for a complete detailed course on Vedic maths. And now let's understand this method. Now let's understand the first question, that is 165 divided by 97. So now first of all we'll arrange the digits. So we will write 165 over here and 97 over here. Since 97 is near to 100, so 100 minus 97 gives you 03. So we'll write the difference, that is 03 over here. Now the next thing is that there are two digits in 97. So we will leave two digits from the right and put a partition after two digits. So here, so this will be the remainder part. Now let's start with the method. So first of all we'll drop 1 over here. So now we will multiply 1 by 03. So 1 zeros are 0 and 1 threes are 3. So in the remainder part we get 5 plus 3 gives you 8 and 6 plus 0 is 6. So 1 is the answer and the remainder is 68. So this is the final answer. Now let's understand the next question, that is 4319 divided by 94. So let's arrange the digits. So 4319 divided by 94. So first of all, as we know that 94 is near to 100, so 100 minus 94 gives you 06. So we'll write 06 over here. Now since 94 has two digits, so we will leave two digits from the right and put a partition line. So this will be the remainder part. Now drop 4 as it is. Now multiply 4 by 06. So 4 zeros are 0 and 4 6 are 24 over here. So now 3 plus 0 gives you 3. So drop 3 over here. Now we'll multiply 3 by 06. So 3 zeros are 0 and 3 6 are 18. Now let's add the digits on the remainder side. So 9 plus 18 gives you 27 and 2 over here. And here 24 plus 1 gives you 25 plus 2 gives you 27. So 277 we get on the remainder part. Now 277 is quite bigger than 94. So again we will start with the same process. So here I'm starting. So 277 we'll write and 94 we'll write over here. Now 100 minus 94 gives you 06. So we'll write 06 over here. Now 94 has two digits. So we'll leave two digits from the right and put a separator line over here. Now drop 2. So we'll multiply 2 by 06. So 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 12. So here 7 plus 12 gives you 19 and here 1 plus 7 gives you 89. For 277 we get 2 as the answer and the remainder as 89. So we'll add 2 over here. So final answer we get 45 and remainder as 89. So 45 as the answer and remainder as 89. I request you all to please practice these tricks thoroughly in order to use them in your day-to-day calculations. And if you want practice question books, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. Thanks for watching.